So recently I was very lucky and I got to go to Gravity to do the jet suit experience, which was absolutely incredible, highly recommend. And while I was there, obviously I got to talk to some of the engineers, some of the pilots. I even got to meet Richard, the CEO himself, which was very cool. And while I did the experience, I noticed that I tried two different suits, and on the arm jets, I'll call them, fit seemed to be quite important around the forearm and the stability and how sort of much effort it took me to control the vectors. So it started making me think, how could you apply our technology to, I guess, make the pilot's life easier, but also allow Gravity to manufacture custom fit components for their jet suits more affordably and much faster. So what we did is we 3D scanned my forearm, and then we've used that to model just a custom fit insert. So you can see here how we have 3D scanned my forearm, and then we subtracted it from a block and then created an insert. So now we just export that as an STL file, and then we import it into our Pinpoint software, which takes STL files and creates manufacturing files for our polymorphic forming machine. So we're going to load up our STL file. Very quickly it will work out where all the points need to go. So this plots all the points on the surface of the mould. Then we're just going to export that. And then we're just using a USB stick, pop it in the machine, and then we select the file, and then we press go. Now, classic Blue Peter style, already did this. Only takes around 20 minutes to reconfigure all the pins and shapeshift the mould. So you can see now, here's one of the polymorphic tools. And you can see how it is a perfect fit. So then, I'm just going to take the polymorphic tool over to the vacuum former. So pop the ABS in. This is ABS 3mm, so it's going to be super strong when it's done. So heated this for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to vacuum form. So now what we'll do is, when that's cooled, we can just put that on the CNC and trim it, or you can trim it by hand. So it's all finished now. I'm going to take it off, and as you can see, the mould is still in the same position and the same geometry, so you could use that again to make another part. So I just spent a few minutes trimming this, and as you can see, it's come out pretty nicely. So now we've got a custom fit insert. You see the fit is very good. It's pretty much one for one for my forearm. So within about half an hour, we made this. What else is possible?